Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2021 Grand Cherokee that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the Jeep today just to show you some of the features and options that this Grand Cherokee has to offer. Coming around towards the back of the unit here, you can see you do have your park sense on the back, so you can see your sensors there across that back bumper. You also do have your backup camera equipped there, your power lift gate. And you can see in the back of the unit there, tons of space back here to store all your gear bags, kind of secured out of the way well on the go. Again, just your power lift gate right there. Now the Jeep Grand Cherokee also offers great 4x4 capabilities, giving you some great handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. So just to check out some of the features inside. So you can see in that back seat, you do have a decent amount of legroom back there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. You do have some rubber floor mats included in the Jeep as well, both front and back. So again, a great accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Up front, you do have your touchscreen display area, so very user-friendly interface. You have tons of great features packed in here. All your auto media controls, climate controls accessible in through there as well. Your heated front seats, heated steering wheel. Your apps that are included in through there, navigation, your Bluetooth options, and of course your settings. Just below that, again, you have access to some of your basic audio media controls, climate controls, your lane departure warning you can toggle on and off. In through your center console area, you do have your media ports just tucked in behind there. Your push button start included. You do also have remote start as well, so another great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Your steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to all your cruise control options, Bluetooth, Uconnect capabilities, access to your audio media controls in behind the steering wheel as well. So everything easily accessible right on the steering wheel itself. It allows you to keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. But you can see this Jeep Grand Cherokee has a great blend of features in it. If you're looking for a great everyday vehicle that offers that 4x4 capabilities, has a great list of features, this could be a great choice for you. If you have questions about this Jeep, please feel free to give the team a call, 780-826-2999.